In the dead of night, you so have tried, time after time, to drift down the gentle tides of sleep, but waking hours never cease. And your weary mind you cannot ease, to rest in the embrace of slumber's keep. But try to rest your tired eyes and drift to a place you've never been, and dream a sweet dream of fields rolling green, soft and still as anywhere could be. Or just walk in love through a sweet summer breeze, by the ocean at dusk, to silhouettes by the sea, on the sweetest of nights that should forever be. Sleep, my love, you're safe.